Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's content, today's video and recipe is this, which are gummies. So I feel like these you buy a very small amount for a very like it's not a reasonable price, whereas we made a huge batch, so many different flavors for the price of a small bag that we can buy at the store. They are super easy, super simple, and really affordable. And they taste so good. They're also a lot softer because my problem, at least personally, my problem with gummies is that they're really tough. So I always have problems with my dentist. And for children, I feel like they could easily choke on one. So these are a lot safer for them. They're really good. And they're super easy. And also, just to point out, if you do not have jelly at home, you can actually do it using juice. Just add gelatin to juice and you can make it. And also the molds are online, easily available and affordable. If you don't have them, you can also just do it at a tray. For the remainder of the jelly we just poured it into an aluminium tray, and you can also have it just that way. They are so good either way and super easy to make, so let's show you guys how to make them. To make these gummies, it's super easy and they're so good. So here we have about 180 milliliters of water, a tablespoon of gelatin, and we're going to use 1 tablespoon per pack. We're not going to use the tablespoon for all of them. Per pack we're going to use 8 tablespoons, which means overall we're going to need 4 tablespoons, which is the equivalent of this. And any flavors you want, you can use any flavors available to you. And also we're going to need these very small silicone molds, and they're available online for a very cheap, affordable price. Our first step is, in a saucepan we're going to put in the water, and we're also going to put in the gelatin. We're going to whisk it, and we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes before turning on the heat. Now we're just going to put this on medium heat so that the gelatin melts, so that when we add the jelly powder in, it also melts and holds its shape. We're going to continue stirring until we see that the gelatin has melted and the water has heated. So the gelatin has melted and the water has heated up. So now we're going to add in the jelly powder. We're starting with the strawberry one. We're going to add it in and mix it. We're going to stir until it completely melts, it completely dissolves, because this is the goal. So the jelly powder has completely dissolved into the gelatin mixture, and now we're just going to fill in the molds. And this syringe comes in with the molds themselves, so they're easily available. We're just going to fill in the molds. And we're going to continue in the same method until we fill in all of the mold. We filled in our first flavor, and now we're going to repeat the same process with the other 3. So we're done, and now we're just going to chill them in the fridge 3 to 4 hours, and then we can take them out of the mold. So they've been chilling for a few hours in the fridge. We kind of left it overnight, and I'll just show you how easily they come out. So you just pop this up, and here are the gummies. This one also, it easily comes off. And here is how they look. I really like the shapes. These look so cute, but then these are actually my favorite. They look so nice and different as gummies. So now I'll take all of these off the mold, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So here they are. We've made quite the variety, different colors, different flavors, and I'll just show you how Here it is. So it is a little bouncy, so you have that gumminess, but then it's also easily it's really soft and you can cut through it easily. So my absolute favorites are the lime and the lemon. You can cut through them easily, so they're super soft. So here are their shapes. As you can see, they're really cute and adorable. My favorites are the heart for some reason. I like them better than the actual gummies because I feel like they're different. They're more homemade because the typical shape is always the bears or the worms. So I feel like I really like this because it seems more personalized. I generally highly recommend making them at home because even my brother loves them, and my brother loves those the outdoor gummies, like the ones that we actually buy. He really loves these. So I feel like if he actually loves these better, that says something because they're really soft, they're super cheap to make, and you also know what's in them, so they're a lot safer to have compared to the store-bought ones, which are, they have more ingredients, more chemicals, more artificial things, which is actually really not that good. This is why I really highly recommend trying them because they are really easy to make and really simple, and they're so soft and so good. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please support me by liking, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and commenting as well, so that you guys can let me know that you like this kind of content. And you can also further support me by following me on my socials, which are Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.